Good morning from the Australian National Surf Museum. We're here because it was on the way to the Great Ocean Road. So we're going to learn about Australia's national surfing.
Yeah, the sport we cannot do.
Yes.
Just to prove where we are.
This position.
Oh, you got, okay.
So I'm going to, because you
got a paddle.
I'm paddling on the carpet. Oh no, I feel I would still
can't get up.
Still wouldn't be able to do that. Do you want to try it? Because you smashed it before, but you just went like this, which is not how it works on a surfboard.
Oh, you can't step on like that?
No. Nowhere near. Nowhere near. Oh, no. He's off. They do have the longest surfboard. We're already pretty good at wiping out. So Steve-O, I think, is gonna choose his board, and then we'll press start and wait for the countdown and strike a pose. So this is gonna look good somewhere. Like that. So now, does it come up with your photo? Mate, you're looking good there.
Smile.
Oh, smile.
Say cheese.
Cheese. He went for the 80s punk flames. I think I'm gonna go for the Malibu style. Keep it simple. Tells you where to put your plank. Cheese. I don't know why I'm posing. I'm not really surfing. We'll see the photos, and I'm not really surfing.
Good. Share your photos.
That's the bottom right one is the one before I wipe out. You've probably seen that. We'll put the link up in the corner. We've got snakes and ladders. Game. Just see. Do you reckon you can roll the six? Yeah. No. 4. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can roll more than a 4. What's on this, by the way? What are we putting on this? Nothing. Okay. Oh, 2. Steve-O is a better roller of the dice. He wins the game. How to make a surfboard. How to break a surfboard.